Angel.B coming at you with another look. So this look I did, I just played with some colors. My friend actually picked the colors, so I went ahead and gave it a shot and see what I could come up with. I love it. I don't know about y'all, but I love it. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you want to see how I beat my face, then stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're going to start off with the Plouise base. That way we can have a clean canvas to work on. I'm going to go ahead and put this all over my lid, and then we'll get started. Alright, so we're going to start off with the JUVIA'S Plouise Velvet palette, and it's in the shade 3. And I'm going to go ahead and just carve out my crease to the shape that I would like it to be. Alright, the next one I'm going to go in with is Colourpop Lilac You a Lot, and the shade is called Filter. And I'm going to take this shade and I'm going to just use it as a blending shade to blend out the other purple that I put down. And then I'll mix the two colors together. Okay, so I am going back in between both shades to darken it up, and then I'll go back into the lighter one to bring that up closer to my brow bone. I want to make sure that I'm not losing any depth of the darker purple, so like I said before, I do go back in, and I would like my crease to be a little bit darker, so I do put more down and then also go back and blend it out some. Alright, so in that same palette, I'm going to use the shade Zoned Out, and I'm going to just use that to blend the lighter purple out when it comes closer to my brow bone so that it's not harsh. Alright, to cut my crease, we're going to use the Plouise Acid Range, and the shade is Blank Canvas. And I'm going to just use this like I do in all my other videos to go ahead and cut my crease. Alright, so now we're going to go into the Colourpop Honey, and the shade is Dandy. And that's the first shade that I'm going to go ahead and put into the crease, and then I'm going to go back and cut it again. Alright, so I'm going to go into the Zulu palette, and I'm going to pick up this metallic shade, and I'm going to also just blend it into that gold into the crease. Okay, so now that I have the two shades blended, I'm going to go ahead and take the blank canvas and just carve it out so that it's a nice crisp line. Alright, so I'm going to go back into the Velvets palette, and it's shade 6, and I'm going to pat this into my inner corner, and I'm going to bring it in some so that I can blend the blue into it. Alright, so I'm going to pick up the James Charles palette, and I'm going to take this blue, and I'm going to put that down, and then I'm going to blend it into the purple. Alright, so the Velvets, and then it's shade 3, and that's the last shade I believe that we're going to put down. And I'm going to put that on my outer corner, and then I'm going to blend it into the blue. Alright, so I'm going to use Colourpop Glittery Obsessed Trippin' on Skies glitter, and I'm going to just put that into the crease. Alright, so now I'm just going to go ahead and do my wing, and then that's pretty much it, and then I'll do my face off of camera, and then I'll be back with the final look. Alright, so this is the final look. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I will see you next time.